Welcome back to Dinar Community. If you're holding Iraqi dinars, you'll want to pay close attention to today's update. We're diving into a crucial topic that's been on many minds: how Chase Bank might handle IQD exchanges once the anticipated revaluation, RV, takes place. For those waiting eagerly for the moment when the IQD's value shifts dramatically, the big question is, what happens next? A lot of investors are left wondering, will Chase Bank be prepared? Will you be able to exchange immediately, or will you face long lines with limited access? What kind of paperwork will you need? In this video, we're breaking it all down, from daily exchange limits to the verification process you'll have to go through. One major concern that's circulating in the IQD community is whether Chase Bank will allow you to exchange your dinar right away once the RV happens. Investors are hoping they can walk in, exchange their IQD, and have US dollars in their account by the end of the day. While Chase has yet to make an official announcement, financial experts predict that the bank will likely follow a structured exchange process. This means things won't happen immediately or all at once, but instead, they will likely implement certain limitations to ensure everything runs smoothly. For example, expect to see daily exchange limits, identity verification checks, and possibly even different service priorities based on your banking relationship. This won't be about preventing exchanges, but managing the flow of currency to avoid economic instability. The process is designed to keep everything controlled and orderly. Given the potential for chaos if thousands rush to exchange at once, don't expect a free-for-all. Instead, Chase will probably adopt a phased approach to ensure fairness, economic balance, and smooth transactions. When it comes to exchanging your Iraqi dinar after the RV, it's crucial to understand daily exchange limits. These caps on how much you can convert in a single day are in place for a reason. If everyone tried to exchange all at once, it could overwhelm the financial system and lead to serious problems. That's why banks like Chase are expected to put these limits in place. High net worth clients or those with private banking services may be able to exchange more IQD per day, while regular customers might need to go through a longer, more gradual process. These limits aren't designed to punish anyone, but to create a controlled and efficient rollout that prevents panic. Planning ahead is key, and you'll want to have a reasonable timeline for your exchange strategy. Though it might be frustrating to deal with daily limits, these restrictions serve an important purpose. They help to maintain financial stability and ensure that the banking system remains secure. Additionally, they help reduce the risk of money laundering and other financial crimes by ensuring that all transactions are properly verified. So, while it may seem inconvenient, these limits actually protect both investors and the banking system as a whole. To make sure your exchange with Chase goes smoothly, you'll need to have your documentation in order. Banks won't accept IQD without verifying where it came from. Be prepared to show proof of purchase, such as receipts or invoices, as well as government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license, to confirm your identity. If you're a Chase customer, your banking history might influence the speed and priority of your exchange. You may also need to provide a paper trail for large amounts of IQD, such as wire transfer records or personal finance documents. If you're missing even one document, your exchange could be delayed or rejected. After the RV, Chase is expected to process a huge volume of IQD exchanges, leading to the next important question. Who gets processed first? Chase, like other financial institutions, will likely prioritize based on customer relationships. High net worth clients or those with investment portfolios might receive quicker service, higher exchange limits, and a faster turnaround. For regular account holders, the process might take longer, especially in the first few weeks following the RV announcement. This doesn't mean you won't be served, it just means you'll need to be patient. If you don't already have a Chase account, now might be the right time to open one, as having an established relationship could give you an advantage once the RV takes place. Another common question is whether customers will be able to take their exchanged money in cash. The simple answer is that it's unlikely. Most banks, including Chase, are expected to impose strict limits on cash withdrawals to avoid liquidity problems and cash shortages. Instead, funds are more likely to be transferred electronically via direct deposit, wire transfer, or through an official bank-issued check. If you plan to withdraw a large sum, expect to schedule an appointment in advance. L.